This is the perk of riding a higher bike with no heated grips on it. The crankshaft cover is your heated grips. So today we're going to J&S Accessories in Leighton. We are going to go look for some better gloves. These are clearly not very suitable. So let's go. Oh my god, look at this. It's beautiful. As cold as it is, that is beautiful. See, this is the thing about winter gloves, is that sometimes they're very thick, you know, because my finger ends like here, but then the cushioning goes up to here. I think this might be the one. Might get a new helmet, haven't considered it yet. Holy shit, the average is 105.4 miles to the gallon. And if you don't know, a gallon is 4 litres. So 105 miles for 4 litres is absolutely crazy. The fuel efficiency on CBFs are unmatched. Look at that, 112 miles to a gallon.